Formulas are used to perform calculations. To create formulas, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to calculate 8 plus 2. First, I select the cell where I want to enter the formula, which is cell A1. Second, I type in the equal sign. Remember that an Excel formula always starts with the equal sign. Third, I type in the number 8, the symbol plus, and the number 2. Finally, to finish the formula, I press the Enter key. As you can see, the cell A1 displays the formula result instead of the formula. To view the formula, I need to select the cell A1. And you can see that the formula is displayed in the formula bar.